Hi, I'm Hank Milius, CEO of Meridian Health Services. These are trying times. These are interesting times, and especially with the holiday season, I want to share a personal story. My wife and I have 10 grandkids. We're always on the road someplace except for this year because of COVID. But Terry, my wife, had to have a grandma fix. So she went back to Missouri and saw some of the grandkids and spent a week there and had the greatest time of her life. She is considered the greatest grandma in the world because the kids gave her a coffee mug that basically said so. In any case, after a week she started driving back home. She gets a call from my son who said that the grandson has now been exposed by the daycare teacher who tested positive for COVID. So I get a call from my wife in the car. It says, get out of the house, go to a hotel. She kicked me out of the house. I was in quarantine in the hotel for about a week, separated from my wife, and I just can't imagine what it must be like for those COVID patients in the hospitals and the spouses that can't see one another. I just can't imagine that. In any case, long story short, my grandson did not have COVID. My wife did not have COVID. Came back to the house and are living happily ever after, except we had to make decisions about Thanksgiving and future holidays like Christmas and New Year's. And we made the tough decision, we're just not going. We had Zoom Thanksgiving. We played charades, we did blessings, we did prayers. We argued about who had the best pecan pie, all of that. It was still a time to get together, but in a different way. We're going to be doing the same thing for Christmas. Now the good news, we have vaccinations coming. We see light at the end of the tunnel. There is hope. We are going to make it through this. But the bottom line is we still have to go through the tunnel. We can't escape the tunnel. We see the light at the end of the tunnel, but we've got to wait this out. This is not going to be a normal time. It's not normal to wear masks. It's not normal to socially distance. You're always washing your hands. You've got to do those things in this unnormal world right now. And pretty soon we'll get normal, probably in the summer or the fall. But in the meantime, even though you see light at the end of the tunnel, make sure you put your mask on, you socially distance, you wash your hands, and enjoy the holidays from a distance. Thank you.